Imagine a project so audacious that it left the world in disbelief. Born out of nowhere and costing a whopping $370 million, this marvel reached almost 100 stories into the sky. Many countries scoffed, saying it would take China 300 years to build. But guess what? In just 3 years, they were left speechless. Welcome to the Daxiaojing Grand Bridge in Luodian County, Guizhou Province. This supersized bridge spans 1.5 kilometers with a main span of 450 meters, making it the world's largest span for a steel tube concrete arch bridge. From afar, this striking red bridge resembles a soaring Chinese dragon, symbolizing China's unmatched infrastructure strength. Every onlooker is left in awe by its majestic figure. But it's not just the size that's impressive. The construction method is a global marvel. The bridge comprises 58 lifting sections, each weighing a staggering 160 tons. These sections are hoisted more than 200 meters high and then precisely spliced with millimeter-level accuracy. It's like building giant blocks in the air. China doesn't just dare to dream, they dare to build the impossible. Want to see more breathtaking sights from China? Click follow and let us take you on a journey to witness more magnificent mountains and rivers.